Hey there! अब मेरे बारे में मैं नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ, मैं तो हूँ बाली ब्रह्मभट्ट, लेकिन all I want to say today is Akshay Patra's first international kitchen in the UK since 2020. I'm speaking from Akshay Patra's international kitchen in Watford, the UK, an Indian origin children's charity running the world's largest midday meal program to support disadvantaged children at schools. So today I've got a special personality here, a Padma Shri celebrity chef. A Padma Shri celebrity chef, yes, a chef, a TV presenter. अगर इनके प्रोग्राम में दो तीन बताऊंगा तो आपको पता ही चल जाएगा. Signature, खजाना, yellow chili, to name a few. An entrepreneur, none other than the celebrity chef Sanjeev Kapoor. Sanjeev Kapoor ji,
Thank
namaskar
you,
ji.
Ji. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Such a pleasure meeting you.
Lovely to meet you, buddy. It's an absolute pleasure. क्या
Thank you.
मतलब आपका तो क्या होते हैं ना जलवा ही जलवा है.
So,
So,
welcome to Leica Radio Network.
thank you.
And all I want to ask you, first of all, is from you have always said that you worked in many hotels from Varanasi to New Zealand. I would say from Ambala to Oakland.
Yes. Why not?
So tell us about that journey from Ambala to Oakland.
Oh, so I was born in Ambala.
Yes.
Father was with State Bank of India. We went wherever he was transferred. I did my studying in hotel management from Pusa in Delhi.
Mhm.
Worked with different hotels,
Yeah.
and one of them took me to Wellington, New Zealand, and my first job was in Varanasi. So हर घाट का पानी पिया है मैंने. I have
Wow.
घाट घाट का पानी पिया. And for
Absolutely.
last 3 decades I've been in Mumbai,
Uh-huh.
and that's where my first TV show,
Yes.
Khana Khazana on ZTV, was there.
Ji.
And now we have our own TV channel called Food Food, do different
But of course.
shows.
Yes.
And here I am. I was supporting a charity last night, Inochi, a dear friend who had arranged that here, Anjanish and Shefali Shekhar. And
Fantastic.
since I was here,
Yes.
I've been supporting Akshay Patra for many years, and Akshay Patra's kitchen.
Oh, that was my next question.
Yeah.
Why Akshay Patra?
Why
Yeah.
Akshay Patra?
Yeah.
So I've been associated for over 15 years,
Wow.
and I've been supporting in many different ways, right from what kind of food should be cooked in Akshay Patra to how to do fundraising, to creating awareness, to creating films for them. Different things I've been
Yes.
doing, and so it was on my agenda that if I go to UK, I've not seen this kitchen where we are
Yes.
actually today. So I came to see the kitchen, meet with the
Mhm.
team.
Yes.
And I didn't know that there was a bonus here. I would meet the Bali Brahmbhatt.
Thank you for the honor, sir.
Yeah.
Really. And मैं यही पूछना चाहता था कि you created the Sham Savera dish, and besides that, you are in the Guinness Book of Records. Can you tell us?
So, see, the dish Sham Savera was created on sets of Khana Khazana. It was the first episode that I was filming, and I just created it at that time. And now the dish has become a dish which is available in many restaurants. Of course, it's available in
Yes,
all
yes,
our
yes.
restaurants.
Yes.
But what I'm happy is that, and many people say that, अरे आपकी रेसिपी जो है वो रेस्टोरेंट वाले यूज करते हैं, आप उनसे पैसे क्यों नहीं लेते? मैं कहा नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैंने कहा हमने अभी दिए भी तो नहीं, इतनी सारी कितनी जो डिशेस हम अपने रेस्टोरेंट्स में करते हैं जो
सही.
इतनी पुरानी है.
जी.
तंदूरी रोटी तो हमने नहीं बनाई थी, पराठे तो नहीं हमने
जी,
बनाए थे,
जी.
उसके किसी को नहीं देते हम, राइट?
जी.
So whatever we create it for the world.
Yes.
And I'm happy that Sham Savera has become that dish which is available in thousands of restaurants
Absolutely.
all across the world. I'm happy for that.
Yeah.
Then in terms of not just I would say Sham Savera. When you say Guinness World Record,
Yes.
this was something that I created in 2017 because I believe that millets is an important part that needs promotion, that needs conversations around that, because what we eat, so world eats a lot of rice,
Yes.
which needs so much of water to grow.
Yes.
So you need crops which are nutritious, which
Yes.
are healthy,
Yes.
but they are sustainable also.
Yes.
So most millets need very less water to grow. They are hardy crops. They can grow in arid conditions. So I created a khichdi,
Wow.
a world record with khichdi made with millets.
Wow. Now that is real being innovative.
Right.
Really, seriously. And आप लोगों को सबको मैं बता दूं कि जब से मुझे पता चला इनकी पोजीशन एक पर्टिकुलर एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड में, तब से मैंने ट्रैवलिंग सिर्फ सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस से करना शुरू कर दिया है. Because पता चला कि at present on board as one of the key members of the international culinary panel of Singapore Airlines, मतलब लजीज खाना, you know what I mean? It's
But
going very well, isn't it?
It's been now 19 years
Yes,
association
yes,
with
yes,
Singapore Airlines, and
yes.
I'm very, very proud. It is fantastic. The association has been very good.
Yeah, every
And of
time you
course,
sit on Singapore Airlines and you open their magazine, you'll see his photo right there.
yes, on the
Uh,
menus they have that.
That's right. It proves that I do travel on
Yes, you do.
it. अच्छा, आपने you were the मेरे को यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा हुआ है because I didn't know you became the youngest executive chef at Centaur Hotel.
Mhm.
So was it the Juhu or the
Juhu.
airport
जुहू
Centaur?
one, जुहू
Juhu one.
जुहू उस वक्त बड़ा फिल्मी सा था,
I used to
बड़ा सा
frequent it.
हाँ, तो जुहू वाला जो था,
वही तो जगह थी.
या तो सब सारी फिल्मी पार्टीज वहीं होती थी.
हाँ,
फेमिना, मिस इंडिया,
हार्बर हॉल,
हार्बर हॉल. अरे बड़ा आपको तो अभी
पीछे
याद है.
और स्विमिंग पूल.
या
कितनी
Right.
रातें बिताई
हाँ,
वहाँ.
correct,
Really
correct,
functions
correct.
करके हमने,
Yes,
ना.
yes.
Yes. So it's so wonderful to know that you became the youngest executive chef.
Yeah, I was pretty young.
अच्छा,
वो भी टाइम था.
जब मैं आपकी एड्स देखता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ कि शेफ्स आते हैं छुरा लेके, या शेफ्स आते हैं लेडल लेके और समथिंग. आप ड्रम्स बजाते आते हैं. So do you really play drums?
चलो आप गाओ, मैं बजाता हूँ.
Oh my God, really? अच्छा, तो मेरा गाना है,
हाँ, वही तो.
अम्मा देख, आ देख, तेरा मुंडा बिगड़ा जाए, बेबे देख, आ देख, तेरा मुंडा बिगड़ा जाए, अम्मा देख, देख, मुंडा बिगड़ा जाए. Bwah! Oh my
ये गाना.
God! So he proved it. I always wanted to ask him this question, and my wife and my daughter, they said, does he really play drums? I
Yeah.
said, one day I'll ask him. तो आज वो दिन आ गया.
एक्चुअली हमने अभी परफॉर्म किया था एक नागपुर में फॉर अक्षय पात्रा. भी परफॉर्म
जी.
एक नई किचन हम कर रहे थे. तो शंकर महादेवन इज अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड. तो हमने एक शो
वाह,
किया
वाह.
खाना और गाना.
हाँ जी.
तो शंकर को खाना बनाने का भी बहुत शौक है.
हाँ.
मुझे म्यूजिक का शौक है.
जी.
तो हमने कहा कि चलो आप खाना बनाओ, मैं गाना करता हूँ.
वाओ, अभी यहाँ शो करके आए.
वो
गए.
तो घूमता ही रहता है.
हाँ, तो तब मुझे मिले, मैंने
हाँ.
देखा खाने के बड़े
बड़ा
शौकीन है
शौकीन है.
यहाँ पे.
खाना बनाने के शौकीन है वो.
बनाने का शौकीन. अच्छा, तो आपसे काफी टिप्स लिए
हाँ,
होंगे.
मैं उनसे म्यूजिक के लेता हूँ, मेरे से खाने के.
क्या बात है, व्हाट अ लवली कॉम्बिनेशन. तो मैं एक और बात, थोड़े क्विक फायर क्वेश्चंस करना
हाँ जी.
चाहता हूँ आपसे. आई नो आई कैन कीप टॉकिंग टू यू फॉर द होल डे, सच्ची बताऊँ तो. लेकिन मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि इफ यू कुड प्रिपेयर अ मील फॉर समवन,
Mhm.
who would it be and what would you make?
Oh, actually, I want to possible तो अब नहीं है, लेकिन चार्ली चैपलिन.
Oh, what a choice.
हाँ, मतलब कि मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि कुछ ऐसा बनाया जाए, प्लेट दी जाए,
हाँ.
प्लेट में कुछ नहीं हो.
Oh, gee, man, I've never had this answer before.
Right? And then you have to see his reactions. उनको पूछो खाओ और रिएक्ट करो.
हंसाने वाले को हंसा दिया. ये बात हुई ना. वाह. And which dish would you not eat yourself?
ऐसी कोई डिश नहीं होती है जो आप कोई भी प्यार से कुछ बनाए, खिलाए और आप ना खाओ, तो वो तो गलत बात है. So there's not. I would say, अच्छा मेरे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो मैं नहीं खाता.
Huh.
I eat everything. There's nothing that I don't
Okay.
eat.
Mhm.
But traditionally, I eat local food.
Okay.
मतलब मैं जहाँ हूँ वहाँ का खाना खाऊंगा.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Uh-huh.
it's not कि मैं स्पेन जा रहा हूँ तो मैं वहाँ पे पंजाबी खाना नहीं ढूंढूंगा. वहाँ पे स्पेनिश खाना खाऊंगा.
When in Rome, do what the Romans do.
That's right. So it's all about the local ingredients, local food. That's what I prefer.
So if you go to Japan, then you would go
Japanese
for
only.
sushi and
Only
that.
Japanese.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
wonderful.
Yeah.
With a bit of Sapporo
Yeah.
beer. Not advertising for them. And what's the last food item you ordered on a food delivery app?
I have not ordered that.
नहीं ना? Good. Why should you? At
नहीं
the
मैं
end
खुद
of the
बना
day.
लेता हूँ तो मतलब मैं ऑर्डर करना है मतलब किसी और का कर रहा हूँ.
Good answer. And we learn by mistakes.
Hmm.
Did you make one
Oh, I always
in your profession?
always there is no life without mistakes. And but mistake is कुछ लोग उसको mistake बोलते हैं, आप इसको learning बोलते हैं.
Yes.
So
You
I
take it
say
as
that
learning.
100%. And I think that's the only way. It's not कि गलती हो गई, but गलती तो होगी ही होगी. If you are learning,
Yes.
you cannot be perfect the first time.
Absolutely.
सारे सुर पहली बार में थोड़ी लग जाते हैं.
ये
रियाज
बात
करना होता है.
ये बात बहुत खूब. And what's an uncommon combination of food you enjoy? I'll give an example. I have a friend. He's half Gujarati and half Bihari. So he has like methi thepla with chicken.
Okay.
As a combination. So what's an uncommon combination of food you enjoy?
नहीं मेरे तो मतलब बचपन से ऐसे मुझे याद है when I was a kid. तो आप दिल्ली वगैरह में होते हो ना तो होता है कि अच्छा चलो समोसे ले आओ जी.
हाँ जी.
फिर नाल पता है बर्फी भी आ गई.
This is a Haryanvi talking.
तो देन उसके साथ में कोई सॉस पड़ी हुई है, चटनी पड़ी है. तो समोसे के साथ चटनी क्यों खा रहे हैं, ये बर्फी के साथ चटनी क्यों नहीं खा रहे हैं?
Now you answered it correctly
बस
there.
खत्म.
बस खत्म. What would you pack for a picnic?
What would I pack for a picnic? Whatever is available. कुछ मतलब होना भी तो चाहिए. I would say that अगर मौसम के हिसाब से अगर गर्मी वाला मौसम है तो कुछ ठंडा पैक करूँगा.
Salads and all that.
हाँ, और अगर ठंड वाला मौसम है तो ऐसी चीज़ें जो थोड़ी गर्म कैरी करके रख सकते हैं.
Yeah.
So otherwise it will not be, अगर ठंडी जगह पे आपने ठंडी ठंडी चीज़ें ज़्यादा रख ली,
Yeah.
it will not be fun. So picnic is something you have a chance to plan.
Yeah.
So picnic is actually planned thing. It's not on the go. While you are on the go, but you are planning. Meal is a planned thing.
Yes, yes.
So plan it in a way that when you are having it,
Yes.
it is appropriate at that time.
Oh yes.
So that's I would keep the season in mind.
Season in mind. And you are a celebrity chef. So does that mean your wife Aliona never has to cook?
Oh no, she always has to cook. No, because I'm good at cooking stories, right? Somebody has to cook.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a good one. So what's the best dish of hers that you like?
Oh, she makes masala dosa very good. She
Oh.
makes chaat, papdi, golgappe, ka pani she makes.
आपके मुंह में पानी आ रहा है.
हाँ, मुंह में पानी आ रहा है.
और आप listeners को क्या कहना चाहेंगे regarding food habits? You have written so many books, na? One of the most interesting books was about the oils.
No oil cooking.
No oil cooking, na?
We have eat well diet,
Yes.
live well diet.
Yes.
So there are many. I think the only thing I would say is that eat everything. आजकल ना diet के बड़ा चलता है. So we say dieting, right?
हाँ, dieting.
I say die eating.
वाह. अब इससे आगे कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. So here is the celebrity chef, the Padma Shri, Sanjeev Kapoor saying, die eating.
But mindful eating.
But mindful eating. Such a pleasure talking to you.
Lovely.
And it's been great.
An honor. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And Leica Radio Network thanks you for this wonderful interview.